Okay, so that was finding a missing side. Let's look at how we now use it to find a missing angle. So whatever we're trying to find, label that as A. It's an angle this time, so it's capital A. Opposite that's lowercase a. And then same as before, B's and C's, doesn't matter which way they go. Because we're trying to find a missing angle, I'm going to use the other form of our cosine rule. So that's where cos A is the subject. So lowercase b is 9.2. C is 7.3. And A is 11.1. And that's all divided by 2 times B times C. Then what I'm going to do is put that right-hand side into the calculator. And that gives me a fraction actually, so you can write it as a decimal or a fraction, but the fraction is exact. So I get 8/73. And then to get rid of the cos on the left-hand side, of course we need to inverse cos. So A is going to be equal to inverse cos of that fraction. And that gives me 83.7 to three significant figures.